Hello guys, so this is the Mavic Air. This is particularly an unboxing on the Fly More combo. The drone itself sits apart from the Spark with an impressive set of video specs. 4K shooting at 100 megabits a second, which is a little bit better than the Mavic. 60 frames a second at 2.5K and a full 120 frames per second at HD. Opening the box, picking out the drone, which you notice in this small case here. What I found fantastic about this particular case it's in is how well it fits and how protected it feels. Kind of perfect for those everyday trips. It does only hold the drone, so you can't really hold any of the extra bits and pieces that come with this bundle. Really, really well made. I can't emphasize that enough. The other parts that come in here, of course, are the propeller guards and the instructions. So this is the main bit that you get extra with the Fly More combo. It's this case here. It houses the controller, which I must admit feels great. It fits my phone perfectly. The toggles being stored inside is excellent. However, I do see myself losing these quite quickly. Apart from that, the black box on top of here houses the extra cable adapters for phones like Androids and phones that use the USB-C, as well as extra propellers and a cable to charge up the remote. You get your two extra batteries, the multiple charging hub, which I think is incredibly well designed. However, I do feel like I need to complete the set and get that one last battery. What I like about the power adapter section is that it has USB charging points at one end of it, so you can actually charge a whole host of devices as well as your phone. What I found incredibly interesting actually is that it came with this little bit here. This plugs into the battery, so you can use the Mavic batteries as an actual power bank, which I think is a very impressive little extra thing they put inside of the box. Other than that, what I love about this particular case is that you can actually fit everything that you need in it, as well as the charging hub, the extra batteries, and the Mavic. This fits perfectly inside of my gear bag. As you can see, this is my Peak Design bag. And yeah, incredibly impressed with the amount of quality that's gone into the Fly More combo, and I must admit, overall I'm very impressed with this. If you want to see a more comprehensive review or more content like this, then let us know. But for now, keep an eye on our page for competitions and more news, and have a good day.